Boat lifts, canopies, boathouses, and more. Which storage option wins? Most boat owners spend thousands of dollars on their boat, but many never spend enough time thinking about where they're going to store it. And that's a mistake that can lead to higher maintenance costs, faster depreciation, and unnecessary headaches. Today we're breaking down the most popular residential boat storage options, from boat lifts and docks to dry storage systems and garage solutions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which storage option makes the most sense for your property, budget, and boating lifestyle. Let's get started. Section 1. Why storage matters. When most people think about boat ownership, they focus on the fun parts: the engine, the electronics, the fishing equipment, the water. But storage may have a bigger impact on long-term ownership costs than any of those things. Proper storage can extend boat life, reduce maintenance, improve safety, protect resale value, increase convenience. The right storage solution depends on 3 major factors: your property, your boat, and how often you use it. Let's look at the most common options. Waterfront storage options. For waterfront homeowners, storing the boat near the water is often the most convenient solution. A boat lift raises the vessel completely out of the water when not in use. Benefits include reduced hull fouling, less corrosion, easier maintenance, faster access to the water. Boat lifts are particularly popular on lakes and protected waterways. The next one is fixed dock with a slip. Some homeowners keep the boat in the water alongside a fixed dock. Advantages include lower upfront equipment costs, immediate access, large entertainment space. The downside is increased exposure to water-related wear and biological growth. And floating dock systems. Floating docks move with changing water levels. These systems work well where seasonal fluctuations occur and can simplify boat access throughout the year. Land-based storage solutions. Not every homeowner lives on the water. Fortunately, several land-based options exist. The open trailer storage is the most affordable solution. The boat remains on a trailer in a driveway, side yard, or dedicated storage area. The pros are low cost, easy transport, flexible location. The cons are weather exposure, aesthetic concerns, security limitations. Covered storage. A roof structure protects the vessel from sun, rain, and snow. This significantly reduces UV damage and weather-related deterioration. An enclosed boat garage, one of the most protective options available. Benefits include maximum weather protection, improved security, reduced maintenance, enhanced property appearance. Many new waterfront homes are being designed with dedicated boat garages for these reasons. Costs of maintenance. Storage decisions often come down to economics, convenience, weather protection, maintenance, and cost. Open trailer storage typically has the lowest initial cost. Covered storage requires additional structural investment but offers better protection. Boat lifts can significantly reduce maintenance expenses over time by keeping the vessel out of the water. Enclosed storage often costs the most upfront but provides the highest level of protection. The key question isn't simply, what does it cost today? It's, what will it cost over the next 10 years? Long-term maintenance savings often change the equation dramatically. So choosing the best option, which option is right for you? Choose a boat lift if you live on the water, you use the boat frequently, you want to minimize water exposure. Choose a floating or fixed dock if convenience is your top priority, water access is critical, you entertain on the waterfront. Choose covered storage if weather protection is important, budget is moderate, space is available. Or choose enclosed storage if maximum protection matters, security is important, long-term ownership is planned. Ultimately, the best storage solution balances convenience, protection, maintenance, and cost. The goal isn't simply storing the boat, it's preserving the investment. Ultimately, if you would like a copy of the dock inspection checklist, go to the website and you may download it there. And if you liked this video or learned anything from it, please click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section.